Lala, today we are going to learn about shapes and colors while playing on the playground. Okay, everyone, let's learn while we play. Lala and Shiri, you can practice your colors by naming the colors of the playground equipment.
Look, Lala, the slide is red and the swings are yellow.
Yes, and the tree is green.
Mala, look, I made a square tower.
That's awesome, Jojo. I made a triangle castle.
1, 2, 3. I landed on a square.
Yay! Great job, Tommy. Let's try again.
You all did a fantastic job learning and playing today.
Thank you, teacher.
Remember, learning can be fun, especially when you do it with friends.
I can't wait to learn more tomorrow.
Me too. Thanks for teaching us, teacher.
You are welcome, children. Now, go enjoy the rest of your day in the playground.